In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to host a virtual event on Wix. To get started, the very first process is to add the Wix Events and Tickets app to your site. To do this, navigate to your Wix editor, and on the left side menu, you will see an option that reads Add Apps. Click on that, and in the search bar that appears, type in Wix Events and Tickets. After you've located the app, go ahead and click on Add to Site. As a result, the necessary pages for hosting your event will be automatically created. Now that you've added the relevant app, it's time to create your new online event. On your dashboard, look for Events and click Add Event. At this point, you should make a decision about the type of event you wish to host. Ask yourself, will it be a ticketed event or an RSVP event? Once you've chosen, fill in other details for your event, such as the name, a teasing description to draw people in, and a cover image to make your event appealing. Don't forget to set the date and the time of the event. Under the location settings, make sure to select Online because we are organizing a virtual event. The third step involves choosing a format for your online event. If you choose to host a live stream, you'll want to navigate to the Wix video library found in your dashboard. From there, go to the Livestream tab and select Schedule Event. However, if a video conference is more your style, for instance, a Zoom meeting, you'll head over to your event's Manage page. There, click on the Features tab and add Video Conferencing under the Add to Event section. The final step in hosting a virtual event on Wix is to finalize and publish your event. More detail is always better, so add the full description of the event and include categories and tags. This will help your audience understand more about the scope of the event. Now, if your event is ticketed, you'll want to create tickets by setting a price and deciding on the quantity. Remember to set up your payment methods if needed. After you've filled in all the necessary details, the last thing left for you to do is to publish the event. By doing this, your event becomes visible to the public and interested participants can register. And voila, you've just learned how to host a virtual event on Wix from beginning to end. Any questions or comments, do not hesitate to leave down below. Until our next tutorial, happy hosting!